As part of Mgnrega Bachao Sangram, which began on January 15th, village-level outreach and mass contact program protest campaign was held today at Wangoo Ahallup Chitheklekai Community Hall under Kumbi Assembly Constituency and was organized by Kumbi Block Congress Committee KBCC. The campaign was organized with the demands to restore Mgnrega, restore dignity, restore rights, highlighting concerns over alleged dilution of the rural employment scheme. AICC National Secretary and Manipur in charge Christopher Tilak, MPCC President K. Megachandra, intending candidate of Kumbi Assembly Constituency M. Megachandra and other party leaders attended the program. Addressing the gathering, Tilak said that Mgnrega was introduced by the UPA government to improve economic condition of rural people, particularly women. He alleged that the BJP is attempting to weaken the scheme, which would adversely affect the livelihoods of rural women. He urged people, especially women in rural areas, to remain aware of the issue and collectively discuss ways to protect their rights. MPCC President K. Megachandra said that Mgnrega was launched in 2005 by the INC-led UPA government under the leadership of the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh to promote rural development and improve economic condition of women by providing 100 days of guaranteed employment in a year. He expressed concerns over the NDA government at the centre renaming the scheme as Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2025 VBG Ramji, stating that the move has created fear among beneficiaries that the original benefits of the scheme may be withdrawn. Megachandra warned that if the government fails to listen to the voice of the people in a democratic setup, citizens should not support it in the upcoming elections.
Miyamgi Pradani, Mayamsi Usitoide, Miyamgi Kolau Tadi, Zaurama Malin, Pitimisis, the Democracy, Sepesca, Miyamgi Kolau Tadra, Sakara Dudi, Matanga, the election of the Lopu, Masini Democracy, Chanesi, Yani Kumaya, Maramadura. Democracy, one comprehensive, Idiasi democracy Germany, no level evacni, no zoo, when a fighting for Mugatore. The Hibagaki election of the Miami Kolau Tadraba, Ulapa Mataki Tamati, Lopu pirates in democracy, Matsat Neko, Aduki Matsat, Perjan, and Lepo, the Lepo, the